Okay, so we are starting to work into conventional deadlifts. Now these can get kind of confusing because people are like, wait, I thought a deadlift was a hinge and now I'm squatting. And it's like a RDL and a goblet squat, have a baby, and they send you the conventional deadlift, right? So we're using our glutes to stand up, but it's got a lot more range of motion to it, which is why you've got to go into that knee flexion a little bit. We're gonna start to learn with a kettlebell. So you want your stance right outside that kettlebell. Your feet are about hip width distance apart. Now some of you may have a little bit more of an open stance. I do because my hips sit out really wide, right? From here, I'm gonna pick up my shoulder blades, roll them back and down, and I'm gonna get that handle of the kettlebell right underneath of my shoulders. From here, locking the shoulder blades back and down. My elbows should be about the inside of my knees, and in one motion, I'm gonna use my glutes and press up from the ground, return right back down. Reset the form if you need. Pressing up from the floor. From the side, walking up to it, setting my stance, adjusting my kettlebell, shoulder blades roll back and down, and I'm pressing up from the glutes here as I push away from the floor. Now be careful that we're not pulling up with the back. Did you guys see that? We want to use the glutes, press up from the floor, watch my low back, not lead with the back. That's going to give you back pain. So practice this over and over. This is our initial setup for our conventional deadlift.